This is Layla from Silk&Wool, and I'm now planning on my new project, which is going to be based on my Caramella bag, which I absolutely love. But I think I want a bigger version and the one that holds its shape a little bit better. So I'm going to try something new, a new stitch which I haven't used before. It's called a linked crochet stitch, and let's see and try it out together. My base here is 36 stitches, and it measures on the outside, well, about 18 centimeters, and I want my bag to be a bit bigger. So let me try and start with 45 stitches and we'll see where it goes. The linked crochet stitch is much denser than the regular double crochet, so I think I am going to use a larger hook than I used for Caramella bag, and we'll see where it takes me. I'm leaving on holiday tomorrow, and I would like this to be my holiday project. So, but I'm starting today so that I don't have to try and unravel on the train tomorrow. And I'm not going to do a foundational double crochet this time because a linked crochet is already doing my head in, so I'm not going to combine this two. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 30, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 3, 4, 5. So I have 45 chains here, and I'm going to do a stacked crochet stitch for my beginning. So it's a single crochet and then we grab a yarn over through the leg and complete. And so now I'm going to be doing the linked crochet stitches. So here for the first one I'm going to take this bar, yarn over, make a loop through there, no yarn over, and grab a loop through the next chain on my base, and then complete as regular double crochet. So instead of doing a yarn over, we're going now into this bar here, put the crochet hook through it, grab a yarn, pull the loop out, and then we go into the next chain of our chain, pull a loop, and then finish as we would for a regular double crochet stitch. And again, we're using this bar, it's really visible here. Put our hook through it, pull a loop out, go into the next chain, pull a loop, and complete our double crochet stitch. My hands are so used to doing regular double crochet stitches that for the time being I'm really having a hard time, because I either want to do yarn over here or here, or I just forget to do yarn over here and I do this. So I'm definitely going to be building some new neuron connections while working on this project. You see what I'm doing? You see? Hop. Have to keep correcting myself. So this is going to be a bit longer in the beginning, and I think generally this stitch does take slightly longer to complete than regular double crochet stitch. And so we can see the difference in the fabric though. This gives us a much denser fabric that is much closer to working in single crochet stitches, but I think it's definitely quicker than a single crochet stitch, or well, hopefully. So let me complete a row and see where I am on the length. So I have completed my first row, and let's compare it. Let's compare it to the bag. Yes, it is a bit longer. Well, I imagine it should be enough. If not, I'll just have to make another bag. No, I'm joking, or maybe not. Yeah, I think I'll stick with this. So I'm turning my work, and I'm going to do another stacked double crochet in the beginning. So I enter my hook into this side leg of my single crochet stitch, and then I'm going to use this bar, this one, for my first linked double crochet. So this bag is going to be using some advanced crochet techniques. I'm still not used to doing the linked double crochet stitch. My hands keep reverting to what they're used to doing, which is double crochet stitch. So it's going to be a bit of a challenge, but hey, I think it's going to be good for my brain. Now, loop. And I can say that I definitely really like the feel of this fabric. So I have now completed 3 rows of linked double crochet stitch for the base of my new bag. As you can see, it is longer. I think the proportion is correct. I didn't want to make a huge bag. I wanted it to be a little bit bigger. I like the fabric. I'm still not used to making the stitch. It's going to be a more mindful project that I'm used to. I have to say that visually with this yarn, I prefer how the color changes and the stitches look like in my original Caramella. But I like this fabric more. It's more durable, more stable. So although it has crossed my mind to undo this and restart just a bigger version of Caramella, I think I'm going to continue for just to see how it works out, and see where this idea takes me. I'm going to finish this for today. I still have actually 2 work. And I'm going to continue working on this bag during my short vacation, and hopefully I will be able to share with you my progress soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.